What took you so long time to come here on the stage?
Sir, I am little bit tired due to my all day work. That's why I am not coming.
Okay, could you please give your brief introduction to your audience?
Hello everyone, my name is Kamal Yadav. I am from Rajasthan. I done my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Suratgarh. I completed my diploma in mechanical engineering in 2020 from GPC Hanumangarh. After that, in 2021, I got an opportunity to work with JCB India Limited, where I work as a production supervisor. During my career, I served in three departments: engine production department, first year in engine assembly line, second year in engine testing, and third year is pre-dispatch inspection of engine. After that, I resigned from my job in March 2024 and started preparation for SSC JE exam. And currently, I am enhancing my skill, communication skill at Arya Education. That's it.
I have first question for you. What inspired you to pursue a career in mechanical engineering? Why only mechanical engineering? Why not other departments?
So I am grown in that environment where my father work. There is a workshop of engines and mechanical equipments. So whenever I go with my father, I ask my father to how they work, how they work, and what is the reason for like engine is running, and that's make me curious to know about more about this. That's why I choose mechanical engineering.
What is the most exciting part of being a mechanical engineer?
You have I what I took I thought that the love for machines. I love most to know about how they are working. Even us, we are like everything is machines like nowadays.
What is the most challenging assignment or a project you have worked for?
um, the assignment I made for my uh, workshop activity, abrasive hand belt grinding machine. I made that machine take me very hard to make, because we have to make with the scrap material, and that's project I made. That's a very difficult project.
What is a common misconception about mechanical engineering? Because whenever people listen to this name, a word strikes in their mind.
Um it is totally like the person who is pursuing a mechanical engineering can only work in the company. There is a no government approach of mechanical engineering, but there is also a lot of departments that offer a mechanical engineering job in government sector.
When I heard this name first time, do you know what came in my mind? The picture. Bottles, tube, है ना मैकेनिक है ना केमिकल से कुछ ना कुछ है ना वी आर डूइंग सम एक्सपेरिमेंट विद इट ओके सो देयर इज अनदर क्वेश्चन फॉर यू हाउ हैज टेक्नोलॉजी सच एज एआई और ऑटोमेशन impacted mechanical engineering?
Automated machines are more creating job creating less job for the person who pursue a mechanical engineering. For like we later there is a welding machine, welding done by the mechanical engineer. Now the machines are doing this type of welding. Also the when there is a four mechanical engineers are used to do the work, the robotics only do single, so it less the people job for like mechanical who was pursuing for mechanical engineering.
Can you count the skills as a mechanical engineer you are having at present?
I have lean manufacturing principles, Six Sigma, ERP systems. These technical skills help me in controlling the production.
Okay. What skills do you think are most important for a mechanical engineer? Mechanical engineer.
Having a good knowledge of technical skills are good, and most important, how you express your ideas towards your boss and towards your team. That is more important, I thought.
What is the best part about your job?
Like I have to handle a manpower, and I know by handling manpower, you develop leadership skills that will help you to control the production, as well as you have to build your a little bit confidence.
Okay, there's a question for you. If you could work on any historical engineering project, which one would you like to work on?
I would like to work on the hydrogen engines that are launching recently.
No, I'm saying historical engineering.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Historical means if you get to work for a historical engineering, something we have got in the past, like monuments we have got.
No, I want to work like first time when the engine is launched for a vehicle.
Okay. How do you see electric vehicle at present time? Do you think is it going to work in India?
Yes, it is good for India, like, because the amount of petrol, the price of petrol is increasing, and the electric vehicles are provide more cheaply. Like we generate electricity on, and like also electric vehicles are produce less amount of emission, which is good for our environment. And like our Delhi AQI is very vast. If we have electric vehicles, the AQI also decreases.
What is one tool or machine you can't live without?
uh, first is your confidence, and second is your consistency.
I'm saying tool.
Sir, it is a tool. If you have a confidence, you can also connect with the people, and if you are little confident, consistency, you can do any type of work.
Tell me the name of machine you work first time on.
It is the scissor lift machine which I work first time.
Okay. There's a last question for you. Is there anything you want to give message to the young audience sitting over here? You are a mechanical engineer, even maybe some of them are a mechanical engineer pursuing.
I am sharing the key of success. If you follow the 3C of consistency, concentration, and confidence, you will achieve anything in your life.
Let's wrap up the session with a great quote.